So I've been using the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 for a while now, and if you are looking for the ultimate vlogging camera, especially if you are always on the move like me, this might be the one. Now look at how responsive it is. It turns on immediately with a flip and no waiting around when you are out about, especially in places like downtown Denver where I shot a ton of my recent footage. It's so handy not having to fiddle with the settings or wait for it to boot up. That's what really stood out to me. The stabilization. The built-in gimbal is a game changer. When I was walking around in Denver, I barely had to worry about how I was moving the camera. The footage came out silky smooth every time, whether I was taking a casual stroll or running through the park. Another thing I loved was that the ease switching between the vertical and the horizontal format. Now, I was filming long form content for YouTube 1 minute, and then with a simple flip, I could just grab vertical footages for Instagram or TikTok or YouTube Short. Super convenient in my opinion. You can capture everything in one go. But yeah, I know it is quite pricey for around $669 or for the creator package, but you do get a wireless mic, an extended battery, a tripod handle, and some other accessories with it. Now for those of you who like to play around in the post, the D-Log profile lets you color grade your footage. I shot a few clips in downtown Denver using D-Log, and when I sat down to edit, all I need to do is to download the LUT file from DJI and import it to Premiere Pro or other similar editing software, and it's all done. And let's be real, sometimes you don't want to attract too much attention when you are vlogging in the public, and the small size of this camera make it super discreet. I felt way less intimidated pulling out this camera in a busy spot like the 16th Street Mall compared to a bulky camera, or even, that's something that is marketed for vlogging like the Sony ZV-E10. People barely notice I was filming. This thing is so compact and non-intrusive that you can blend into the environment, which makes it perfect for public shoots. Now let's talk about why I prefer using the Osmo Pocket 3 over something like the newest iPhone or other high-end Android phones for vlogging. Now I mean, devices like the iPhone 15 Pro Max here are incredibly capable that they can produce cinematic footage with the right settings and color profiles. But here is the thing, when I'm traveling, like when I was in Denver, I'm constantly using my phone for navigation. I need maps, restaurant reviews, and I'm checking for places to visit and even posting updates on my social medias. And switching between vlogging and using apps is not just a hustle, but it also drains the phone battery like crazy. Imagine if you are in the middle of finding your way or looking up a place to eat, then you have to pause everything to switch to a video mode. It really interrupts the flow, plus it drains the battery very quickly. And that's why having a discrete camera like the Osmo Pocket 3 is such a big deal. I can keep my phone free for all these essential tasks and focus solely on getting smooth, stabilized shots with this. No interruptions, no battery issues. And plus, this is so small and it's not a hassle to carry. It's lightweight and fits right into your pocket. Not sure, it is an extra device, but it makes your whole experience of vlogging so much more seamless. When you're walking through a new city, it's a huge relief to have one device purely for vlogging and another one for everything else. That separation really helped me stay in the moment without having to constantly worry about juggling between apps. And that's the number one reason why I think anyone doing travel vlog should consider investing in an Osmo Pocket 3, and it frees up your phone for everything else, and you've got a reliable, stabilized camera at your fingertip whenever you need it. It's an investment, sure, but I see it as something you will use for years to come if you are serious about vlogging. So I hope this review helped you get a better idea of what this camera can do. If you've got any questions about the Osmo Pocket 3, drop them in the comments below or let me know what kind of footage you want to see more of. I've got plenty of shots from Denver that I'd love to share. And hey, if you are thinking of getting one, I'll drop a link in the descriptions for you to check it out. Now trust me, it's a tool that can seriously up your vlogging game. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see more gear reviews, travel content, and just anything in between my next adventure. I'll catch you in my next video. Take care. Bye.